Hey guys, welcome back. So in this class we're gonna install Postman. And Postman is nothing more than a tool to help us to do API requests for our application. So it's just to help us with development and testing our backend. So here I click on download and then download here. And for Windows it's going to be very similar. And once you download it, you just have to follow the instructions on the download. And there's not much to it. But let's go ahead and do it together anyway. So once it finished download, I'm just going to click it here. And this is just going to open our Postman. And what we can do here is just drag to application. If you're on Windows, just click twice and follow the prompts. Next, next, next. So now that I have this tool, I can just call Postman. And it's gonna ask me, because it's the first time we're running, if I trust. And yes, we don't need to create an account. Skip this. And I want to change this. I just wanted to go to preference, and they released a while ago the dark mode, so I can just come here on Teams and dark mode. So this is this for this class, and I see you guys on the next class.